Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning we are going straight to the program without wasting much of your time because I will try my best to keep it, short. So many of you know this channel. Some of you don't know. I'm not here to promote it. In fact, don't follow him. All right, please don't follow him. He's just another Otondo. But you have to react based on what he puts out here. I want you to know the person in question. So many of you know this guy that we talked about him a few days ago. So, and one of the things that he said that we have shared here happened to be that video where he was talking about that gentle is this, different version of me is this and that. You know the one I'm talking about. So this is the guy. Look at him here, and he has there's other videos that he has made. I think let's go to his videos so that you understand the person we're talking about. I want you to know him. I want you to understand the person first before any other thing. Make sure you like the video, please. Like the video, click on like button, very, very important. And make sure you share it to many platforms of your choice. So the guy is this. Look, I'm trying to bring one of his videos. Look at him here. Okay, this guy, this person now, he's the one we're talking about. So, and let me play one of his video so you can understand. Okay, let's play this one. Which of you should I? Okay, let me play this one. This one. Just watch. Just pay attention. I just choose a random video for you to know who the guy is and what the guy represents.
Let's continue. And share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we're making, and you must listen to him. Now, you must go and share his videos.
Now, look at him here. Let me say this. Why I'm doing this is because I have noticed that many of us, when we say that Igbo people need to learn in a hard way, I don't miss word. And I know why I'm bringing this way. I have many other things to discuss, but I have to touch this guy. Last time we talked about him, if you remember the video that the way he was condemning Gentle and what Biafra Liberation Army are doing, which I said it's good that I don't support evil either. I don't promote evil. I'm not saying people should kill anybody, but tagging every killing, every kidnapping going on in the land just to nail someone down or to nail Biafra Liberation Army down or to nail someone down is a sabotage. I have also said here that many content creators, comedians from southeastern part are enablers of evil going on in our land. Many of them. One of the reasons why I said that is because they don't use their platform to talk about anything that's going on wrong in our land. No. But when it comes to advertising or promoting any celebrity or politicians, they will also they'll venture into that. They always pretend they mind their business, but they're not. You may think that this guy is only talking about what is going on in the land. No, he's also a content creator. But from time to time, he will be, touching, dragging Simon Ekpa and other people, to nail them, to label them bad names. After this, we are going to go back to his channel to see some of the things that he has said in the past. Okay, and not only what he said, some of the other content that he created, like trying to crack joke or make fun of people, trying to bring this comedy skit, and you are going to see that as well. But before then, like I said, please make sure you like the video. Very, very important. Hear him trying to tell you that. Look at the title here. If after watching this and you still doubt us when we said that Master Mekano supported Simon Ekpa, okay, till Simon Ekpa arrest, then it means they have damaged your brain beyond repair. Go and drink or tapia. That's they can execute and this is not long time ago. He made this publication few days ago. This one it was August 26th August 2025. Just this August. So it's a new one. His live broadcast telling you that PM and something like that, which of course we all know, but he's saying that for you to see the validation of keeping Mazi Kano in detention because this guy, of course, they are all agents of Hobos of Denmark. And he's from Imo State. But these are, state actors or non-state actors or a kind of, agent that they use to perpetrate crimes, calling people names for no just reason. You have heard that Hobos of Denmark is one of those that have resolved not to support Mazi Kano release as a Eastern leader of Eastern region or whatever they call that. He is the leader for now, like Eastern Governor Forum. Hobos of Denmark is their leader. South Eastern Governor Forum. So if the leader is against releasing of Mazi Kano, that's to tell you that this guy is telling you that Mazi Kano is a problem of Southeast. This very guy you're seeing now. Not that if anything happens and this guy can offer anything. That's where my anger lies. Like, it's not as if they're presenting alternative to protect people from jihadists.
Bringing another dimension in this awareness we are creating.
Now, let me see how I'm trying to take this out. Just a moment. Let me see if I can. Let me just take it out. And let's go to another. Let's look for another video. Okay. Let's now check his own content creation, like where he try to crack joke, all that thing that he do here on his channel. Let's look for another thing that he's do. Another thing that he do. And I think I've gone. Am I still in it? Wait. I think I have. I'm no longer okay. Let's go back to his channel. Let's go back to the channel. I want to bring to you his other video. Just keep all your eyes on the screen. Okay, as he's doing the job that he's signed to do, he's still going around bringing some of the things, to make fun of himself. Now, just a moment. There's a video. There's other video that he has made. I'm trying to just wait. Let it load. Okay. Now let us watch. This one look like a comedy. Okay. Watch this. Let's see. Faithful God. Okay. See him. And this one is 3rd August. Look at it here. 3rd August 2025. Now pay close attention. I'm not saying that people should not condemn evil. No, I'm not saying you should not, condemn killing going on in our land. That's not what I'm saying. But you cannot be saying those things one and ignore Ebubago. The governor that you are supporting is Ebubago's commander, and you cannot just ignore those things and expect people. Why is it not coming up? And expect people to just follow everything you say because why one? So it doesn't make any sense to me. I don't know why the video is delaying. Let me see. Okay, I think something is wrong with it. I don't know why it's not playing. It's not coming up. Keep on loading and loading. Okay, so here this guy have decided to do one thing only, and that is to make sure that he promotes everything that is good, that is against Biafran Liberation Army or that is against Biafran movement, anything at all. He's against it 100%. Let us go. I think the video is done playing. Now let me pause the sound because of the music, but you can see he's just trying to vlog. You can see he's doing other things. He's a comedian. Look at him. This informant is never. He's nothing to write home about, but to promote negativity, ranting and shouting as if he can do. Look at him here. Look at him. Okay, now this very man you are seeing here is the one that now just pay attention. He's doing just vlogging around, just trying to do other things. Just to tell you that he's just pure content creator. And look at another one. But all camera na back here, okay, he's just bringing look at this one. He's reporting something else. You see, he's a content creator. He's a content creator. Now, I'm not against a content creator, condemning something. I'm just trying to be real to you so that you will not misunderstand what you are doing here. Now, having said this, let me bring to you the major, video that actually brought us to his channel, because I saw this video. I said, okay, let me see if I can, how I will bring it up for you to see, nothing more, for you to see. And how will I just take this out? I think this is disturbing this video, honestly. Okay, post. I'm trying my best to get it out, and I don't know what is wrong with it. We need to take it out, honestly. Just a moment. Let me just bring it out. I have to. So now here is another video that another twist. How he reports his own information. Now read what is on your screen. I said, "Oh, Maka, the people are making the same mistake or soon people committed in 2022, and if caution is not, exercised, it will result in a complete devastation. How can someone justify fraternizing with the Ekwenso?" I don't know who is referring to Ekwenso. The person in the video spraying money holds the position of B44 second in command. I rest my case for now. Now, let us know the person that he's referring to. He even addressed as Ekwenso and all that. Now, and he said that the guy is the second in command of B44. Now, pay attention. Watch the video. Now, this is a cultural dance from Omaka community. Omaka, the Kana Ugwe. So this guy here, he said that this guy is BLA guy, and he is he is second in command of B44. Now, according to what he said here, the question is, he's telling people to turn against him. Are you getting the point? He made this video, this post just yesterday, Wednesday, 27th August 2025. As you can see on the screen, I just put my mouse there. You can see the date pumped up. So this very guy is the one that is not calling for his head. Now, and the guy just in his own hometown, he went there to participate in the cultural dance and festival that not as a tanga and somebody that is in his own. It did not go down well with this man. Now, when you come down, this is where the whole thing started, because remember I told us that Igbo people they are not ready, and if you can game Igbo, can Igbo we malifa. And if you can game, I don't think any people would. I doubt that they will get themselves, and I doubt 100%. I doubt. Let me see. Why is it not coming up? Now, let me just try my best to see if I can get this. I need the chat, the not chat per se, but the comment from people on this video, so that you will, I don't need this. I don't need the sound. I'm trying my best to see if I can how I will get the comment pumped up. Just a moment. We need to get the comment pumped up here. It's normally supposed to come up without even, without any stress, but I don't know why it's not coming. All right, finally we have positioned it very well. So I think we can now go through the comments. Now, why I chose to come here is for you to see how some people react on this report. Talking about this the guy called the Cash or So TV. Remember that is whom we are talking about, and the title of his video is this. Okay, now after watching the video that I just played, where the guy that he said is a second in command of B44 was dancing and spreading money, spraying money and all that, throwing money on people and enjoying himself in his own hometown. This guy did not sit that well with the guy. Now let's go through. This was it, and he is spraying the so-called zoo money. Iberibe. The guy himself report, reacted on that and said money from their kidnapping victim. Okay, this is another person, and okay, the guy himself, the one of the platform said, "Imagine, okay, imagine that he's spreading the money that is not Biafran money, mocking the whole thing." Now we're getting where is B44 now? Somebody is asking. Okay, oh yeah, another person. Okay, the one using a fake name. Iche Mazin the BC said money from the kidnapping victim, just like repeating what this Keshe himself said. Keshe said, imagine. Now, when you come down here, this one said, what are they doing, please? I think that what he said. What are they doing? Now let's go to another one. This is just for you to see how gullible some people can be. How gullible some people can be. It is funny and sad at the same time. But like I said, you have to accept the one you want to accept and ignore other ones, because this kind of people, they don't mean good. Okay, they don't mean good at all. They don't mean good at all. Anything that you see from these people platform, like I said, every many people don't know that it's not by what you think, it is by the will, like what people want. You are not the only person, you are not the only one in the movement, you are not the only one in our neighbor. This firstborn says, soon una go run, no worry. Telling Omaka, okay, using zoo currency, another mockery. Obi Christian said, the village is very fine. Which town is this cash? I was checking if what he is spreading is Biafran currency. I said it, Emeka Sunday. This is Igbo people. This one said, Henry, are you not aware of the camp at Omole in Umuaka? Now no, the town itself. Now one for the town itself. This one said, I think the festival will be their last festival. They only came there to spray and observe around. Even that old man wearing their fraud cap, wearing their fraud cap is among them. The Bluetooth we want is to be getting. Look at Ekwensu Dinson, is name of this one, and he keep on writing junk. Ask him his source of wealth. He is displaying now. He will be storing, and he will be stuttering like Wike. He was stuttering like Wike. He tell you that his father is the first person that drove a machine in their village, devilish kidnappers. This one said, This is other people's sweat, other people's hard labor. He got from kidnapping them. He got from kidnapping them. Look at how he is spreading it with assurance that more is still there. One day, hand go touch him or touch him. You see, this is people that are somebody is in prison for them. You understand? And they don't. And Imo State too. How many hours from Imo State to Benue? How many hours from Imo State to Enugu to Yamofu? They don't count on that. I thought the guy is from R&D Zog or Kigwe from the video I watched some time ago. So he is from Omaka. This thing is going out of hand. Okay. I pity Omaka. I watched one video like that where then they blame Nigerian soldiers instead of to tell themselves the truth. This mistake we make now for 5 years. Now, all these people I see here are speaking in favor of who? Biafran army is spraying Nigerian spraying naira. You see how senseless. And Dan, can you bring Canadian dollar and give Nigerian army to know if they will accept it or not? I'm just asking. Can you bring Canadian dollar now and give to Nigeria? Okay, what country is Nigerian enemy? What country should I use now? Okay, Burkina Faso. Can you bring Burkina Faso money now to give? Because why I say Burkina Faso? Because they are there. Burkina Faso is not, it's no longer in ECOWAS, and ECOWAS is being headed by Nigerian president. So can you bring ECOWAS money now, Burkina Faso money now, and give on the German and give the Nigerian army, and they will refuse it? Is that what you think? Uh, you know, I blame the government who gave them the free hand to operate. Look at this one. Abokio Ike Okudele. Abokio, look at him. Pure Abokio, look at him. Okay, living in Lagos. You need to see how this particular guy and his boys are flexing on TikTok. Now, this is what people don't know. I'm not here to talk, to promote kidnapping. God forbid. I'm not saying people should go and kidnap because you are talking about Biafra. Not at all. But my own, if you want to, if you are as you are condemning evil, which is very very good, please can you let it go around and tell us the truth that we are talking about. Just last week, between road that linked to Imo State and the Abia State, it was reported that a man, a reverend, I think one of these Orthodox reverend, was going somewhere carrying another woman on his machine, on his motorbike, and Nigerian army opened fire on them a few days ago. The news is everywhere, and they fired them, and as I'm talking to you now, they are saying the mortuary. Those ones they don't see it, and I don't know why. Why must we just not only you that listen to me now? Why must we all just see those that are actually perpetrating, that are wishing and planning on how to exterminate you and everybody, and you keep quiet because you are afraid if you talk, they will tag you as one of the Biafran Liberation Army, or you are buying Nigerian soldiers. I'm not an army. I have never been in any armed group or in any gathering. I have never been a full member of anything. You understand? My own is to react on what is on social media. But we have to be truth. We have to be truthful. We have to be honest. Anyway, tell me what you think about it. Did you grab anything from this video? If yes, please, I would like to hear from you in comment section. God bless you and see you again. Make sure you like the video. Your comment is very, very important, and subscribe to the channel. See you again. Good morning.